Hi you guys, welcome to the Parrot Life. This is Kona, my red-fronted macaw, and Keanu, my blue-throat macaw, is here with us too. We are going to go free fly at our usual flying spot. It's springtime and it's super beautiful. The birds haven't been out because it was raining and we decided to finally free fly. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, and if you guys like birds, please subscribe to my channel. Oh. Mama 恐怖だね。So there was too many predators and we are packing up. Are you packing up? Keanu! So better safe than sorry. So we're gonna go home and we're gonna go to Aaron and get a plate. So they actually flew once and I hope you enjoyed that footage though. It's better to go home safe than get eaten by predators. So we're going home. So we are at Aaron and unfortunately today there was just way too many predators, as I said in the previous clip, and I just wanted to dive deep on that. So it's springtime, and usually springtime there's a lot of predators because the predators are trying to feed their babies. So there's a lot of, they're like absolutely in hunting zone during springtime. And I guess like it was raining a lot in LA. So now the sun is up and I think they're like so ready to hunt that there was just way too many predators like ravens, hawks, and vultures, and it was just like not worth it. And even though it's like a 40-minute drive going to the flight place, you know, and it was like an absolutely beautiful day, we just decided that, you know, after their first fly, that's it. We're just gonna pack up and get lunch at Aaron, and I'm gonna get an iced latte because it's hot right now. So even though they only flew once, we're gonna go back again. You know, hopefully they can fly more, but I'm pretty nervous, to be honest, flying them during springtime. They're going on a road trip soon, so I wanted them to be conditioned and yeah, for that trip. But at least they only flew once because they were cooped up because of the rain. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel if you like birds. And Kona is super excited. See you guys!